Hi folks, Bruce here at Pacbrake. We're here today to review PacPro's oil filter relocation kit. These kits are available for the Cummins 5.9 and 6.7 liter engines. These engines typically have the oil filter positioned up near the turbocharger in an area that's hard to get at, which often leads to burning your arms or hands on the turbo or spilling oil down the side of the engine. This problem is compounded when you have twin turbochargers on the engine. The oil relocation kit takes the filter from its stock position and mounts it on a frame in an accessible area. And this is a typical kit contents. We have an oil filter mounting bracket. We have the oil filter head. It's machined from billet aluminum. It's anodized in a nice blue finish. We have an adapter and nut. These two items replace the stock filter's position. From there, we run our hydraulic lines over to the oil filter head. The fittings are included along with the hardware to make for fast and efficient installation. Installation instructions are step by step, and you can see the whole job is just done with simple hand tools. Now let's move over to a vehicle with one of these kits installed. Looking up, you'll see the position of the stock filter. It's been replaced with our oil filter adapter. You'll see our lines running over to the new position of the oil filter up by the inner fender well. This is a very convenient area to service the filter. So for your next service, consider a PacPro oil relocation kit. If you have any questions, call us. Thanks for watching.